For problem number 3, we're going to find some sort of object that has both an up and a down. I don't want you to pick a coin because I want you to pick something that is kind of irregular shaped. So I have 2 options. Thumbtacks work really well. If you got a thumbtack, you can use it. I also found my kids had this turtle toy that works really well. So we're just going to flip it a bunch of times and measure how many times it lands up and down. So for the thumbtack, maybe I'll call the pointy side up, and if it lands like that, I'll call it down. And for the turtle, of course, shell side will be up, and that will be down. So pick any object you want, but the only big rule is that your object needs to have both an up and a down. So let's flip the turtle. The turtle landed down, and then you can keep flipping. There's an up, and you just keep flipping and track how many ups and how many downs you get. So same for the tack. There's a down, there's an up, and we'll go. And what we're trying to do is measure, try to figure out what is the percentage of time this object lands up versus lands down. There's one important thing that we know, and that is in order to make a meaningful confidence interval, like you're going to be asked to find, n times p needs to be greater than 5, and also n times 1 minus p needs to be greater than 5. So what does that mean? Whatever object you flip, it needs to be able to land up at least 5 times and down at least 5 times. If it's landing up every single time or landing down every single time, then you probably need to pick a different object. Okay, but good luck, and this should be pretty straightforward. You just flip your object a bunch of times and record it, and then do the math.